Need a reason to pour yourself a glass of milk? How about 5? Stick around. First up, let's talk about bones. Yep, milk is loaded with calcium and vitamin D, which keep those bones strong and sturdy. But that's not all. Milk is also a fantastic source of protein, perfect for muscle repair after a tough workout. So next time you hit the gym, grab a glass of milk instead of those fancy shakes. Oh, and did you know milk can help you sleep better? Thanks to the tryptophan content, it can help you relax and catch those Z's. Sweet dreams. Feeling snacky? A glass of milk can actually help you feel fuller, reducing those pesky cravings. Less snacking, more healthy habits. And let's not forget about those pearly whites. Calcium in milk helps keep your teeth strong and cavity-free. Smile bright. So next time someone asks you why you drink milk, you'll have a list of benefits ready to go. Cheers to your health.